Alright, so now this is the lights that we're going to be using. As you can see, when you open it up, you've got your normal LE lights or ER lights, whatever you want to call it. There's the strip itself, and then this is what comes with it. As you can see, you've got this plug that's supposed to go into your lighter. They're usually connected here into that, but now what we're going to do, we'll just cut it off and then connect it to a positive and a negative. I'll show you once you install the lights how that looks. Then this side, it basically just plugs in here, the side of the LED light or the ER light, what you want to call it, and then yeah, from there just run it through. But now we're going to start with this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run it from this side all the way down around that side, and then gonna go underneath the door and then through the grommet in the inside there. As you can see, there's a grommet there, so it goes in there, so it's a nice clean look. As you can see, I'm already done with this side. That is all done. And then in the door there as well, you can see it's starting that side, going all the way through, and then around the corner, and then it goes there in the corner again. So now the big reason is why I'm running it from this side all the way to that side is that the end point, I'll let it go that side, and then turn it all the way around, and then I end there. The reason for that is once your end starts there, you go through to that side, you still have a lot of wiring left that can go from this side all the way through to the door. Otherwise, if you're going to start this side and you go all the way back, it means you're going to lose that whole piece of wire to go all the way back into your wiring that you're going to lose, so you won't be able to generate it back. That's why I will start this side and then go all the way through and then end that side. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to do now is just push that side, this corner, just push it in, and then once you push it in, it should make like a gap there for you to be able to pull through your string, and then from there just tuck it in all the way around until this side. But before we end there, without putting the wire through, we're going to end there, take out the door panel, and then just fix up the wiring on the inside. But for now, let's just get this wiring in from this side all the way to that side first. We've got the whole wiring, everything here. As you can see, that side is done all the way here. So now we need to push this whole piece back, but yeah, you won't just be able to push it back because the wiring wire of this is quite thick, so there's clips at the back that we'll have to move. But yeah, we have to remove this whole panel anyway so that we can complete up with the wiring. So first of all, what we're gonna do now to get it out, you must come and check underneath this door. There's a clip here, and then once the clip is out, you've got a screwdriver that side that you must remove, and then as well as this panel, you have to remove this whole panel. So just take your flat screwdriver, be very careful not to break it. You can use a normal flat screwdriver, or what should work better is a panel clip, so that you can remove this whole piece. And then once this piece is removed, you must also remove this piece. Then it's got 1, 2, 3 bolts in the inside that you have to remove, and then as well as underneath, you've got one here and one that side as well that you can remove. And then once you've got those 1, 2, 3, 4 removed, 1, 2, 3 removed, that one in the door, and then as well this two at the bottom, then you can just take this whole panel and basically just pull it out. Now this is what we're going to do now. We're going to remove this panel so that we can work in the inside. Once I have this whole door panel off, as you can see, it's completely off. I removed the hinge for the door handle as well as for the sensors. I've removed it as well. So now in the inside, what you want to do, there's just this 1, 2, 3, 4. Just cut off the outside piece, as it's keeping the plastic from going out. You don't want to remove everything, otherwise you're going to have problems putting this board back. So maybe just 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the top clips, as you can see there, so it can move up and down. And then once you've removed that, you come here on the inside and you push it in, you can see that actually goes in quite further. So then from there you can basically just work it inside. Take your wire, here's the end of the wire, as you can see, and now you can just push it in and then basically push in your whole wire. There we go. Whole wire is pushed in. You can just work it through, and then at the end of it, just make sure that you end with it, that it's nice, level and straight like this, so that there's no twist or curls to mess up with your flow of your wiring. Okay, so we are all done with that panel now. It's all nicely tucked away. So now we need to focus on the wiring. We need to sort out the wiring for the panel now. As you can see now, it's completely done all around, even there, tucked away nicely. So now we need to sort out the wiring. Now what we need to do here is remove all of these bolts. As you can see, it's got bolts around the whole panel, and then once that bolt is removed, we need to get to the grommet. So I'm going to remove this inside panel as well. Then once that panel is removed, I've got a clip here inside I need to remove. And once that clip is out, then I can remove this whole rubber piece so that I can pull the wiring through all the way through this side. But now I'm going to first start loosening everything, and then once I've loosened it, I'm going to remove the panel, remove that side, then we continue with the wiring. This whole one loose. Now you can basically just tear up this rubber here on the inside a bit, just so that you have got space to put in through the wire, and then from there you can basically just run through here all the way that side. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take this wire, pull it through in this side so that we can reach it all the way to here. As soon as we catch it this side, we're going to try and pull it through here. The reason why I want it here is because once again you get that nice clean look when your wiring for your lights goes in here, and then basically it runs through all of the way through the grommet and then back into the car, and then once it's here you can just connect it this side again. So now we're just quickly going to pull this whole wiring through there. We're going to connect it here, pull it all the way through, and then once it's this side, then we will start pulling this panel, everything back, and then we will continue with wiring the whole wire. So basically now, like I said, pull the wire through, put everything back, and then we do the wiring, then we're done. panel is back now, everything is done. Even here the grommet is done, it's finished and sorted. And then now here on the inside, so what we've done here, you remove this light that's underneath by the feet. You remove the light and you've got a positive and a negative this side, so you just connect the positive and negative this side with your with this resistor type of thing, and then from there just connect it. Like you can see, there's a negative, here's the positive. Now it's connected. The lights is off now, but as soon as you open, let me just open this door. Did you see? No, it's still off. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now the lights is on. As you can see, it's on all the way through. As well as this side it's on, this side it's on, and then as well as this side in the dark, as you can see, there we go, it's on as well. So all of the lights is sharp now. That's done, that's done, that's done. Now I just need to close up this wires, and then as soon as that's closed up, I'm gonna show you what it looks like now during the day. Just a quick walk around, and then as well during the daylight. I go to that side. I just want to thank you guys for watching the full video. I really do appreciate it. We still have a lot of things that we need to do on the car, so we need to sort out add-ons, all type of things. But if you've liked the video, please do not forget to like it, and then as well, please do not forget to support my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. The subscribe part is the most important one, as we're still trying to push to at least 1,000 subscribers, and then yeah, from there we can build on. But as long as things are going now, we are still having fun, and I mean, why not? Tonight we're gonna have a meet at eToons. There's gonna be VW, it's Polo, Golf, and then I think Scirocco as well. So maybe I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna start editing this video now so that you guys can watch it before 8 o'clock tonight, and then yeah, maybe tonight I'll make some videos as well, and then I'll edit it and post it during the week. But yeah, let me just quickly give you a walk around of what it looks like.